YouTube? It's your boy Red Snow. We out here today. We about to do this Lamborghini rally. You know, we about to go hard today. We got my boy King Tony right here pulling up. You already know.
Let's go. Hey,
yeah, bro.
Shout out to the #1 photographer in the world,
man. You already know. Hey, I don't even know his name, but he out here, bro. He out here, bro. Nice to meet you, Eddie. What's up with you, man? Yeah, so we gonna get lit out here, man. I hope y'all enjoy the content. If you do, go ahead and like and subscribe, and thanks for checking out the channel, man. Man, y'all already know we got this dude Lambo Boss, man, pulling up in the Urus, bro. Like, look at this. Black on black Urus. Uh-oh, he hopping out. What's up with you, dog? Hopping straight out the Urus, know what I mean? It's good to see you out here, dog. Yeah, bro, dude.
Lambo Boss, man, to follow.
Yeah, bro.
Coming on this ride, man. So, hey, shooters being shot, man. Let's get it, man.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. We about to get lit out here. Yo, we got a HURACAN STO pulling in. Look at this right here. Yeah, we in here going crazy today, y'all. Yo. Pulling up. Y'all, we got the Lamborghini HURACAN Technica right there, and another Technica. Hey, the black on black Technica right there in the HURACAN Evo, man. Oh yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. It's getting crazy out here, y'all. Guys, right here we have a Lamborghini Aventador. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's a nice Aventador right there, y'all. That's real nice. We digging that boy. Here we have a Lamborghini Aventador S pulling in. Look at that bad boy. You can't tell me that this ain't nasty, bro. Like, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. We getting lit out here, dog. We are getting lit out here. Oh, bro. We have a twin turbo HURACAN. Let's hear that boy. Yeah. Ain't no way. Dude put up with the radios on the back, twin turbo Lamborghini HURACAN, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Yo. And we got my boy Hizzy right here, know what I mean, looking clean. Bro, what do you think about this twin turbo HURACAN right here? What are your thoughts about this bad boy?
I think it's insane, dude. This is a SHEEPEY Racing twin turbo, dog. And all that, the slicks, the twin turbo, the no license plate, we're gonna ride deep, we're gonna shoot flames, we're gonna have fun today. We ride.
Oh yeah, you already know how it is, man. You already know how it is, man. Oh yeah. Y'all know what time it is, man. Back to the lamb dog, bro.
That's that V12.
Oh yeah.
I like to see people play.
Oh man. Oh.
That's a good turbo right there. I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.